welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about 3 tips and tricks that you must know in Excel. So the 3 things I'll be showing you today are how to insert multiple lines or rows and columns, and the difference between lists, and how to move rows and columns. So here I am on my spreadsheet back with some old data, and so first we're going to learn how to insert multiple lines. So usually people only insert one. So how you do that is Shift Control bottom arrow key to select the whole column, and you go right click and you insert, and you click on entire column. Press OK. So that's how you insert one column. But what if you want to insert multiple columns? So how you select multiple rows is, I'm just going to undo this first. So how you do it is you select your first row, so Shift Control bottom arrow key, and then you just press on Shift and do 1, 2, and 3. Well, I'm just doing 4 rows, but if you want to do like 5 or 6 rows, then you click the right arrows many times, and then you just right click this and insert an entire column and press OK. So that's how you insert multiple lines. But what if you want to insert multiple rows? It's the same thing. I'm just going to undo it again, and it's the exact same method. Shift Control right arrow key, and then Shift bottom arrow, bottom arrow, bottom arrow. I'm only going to do 4 rows now, and now you right click on here and press insert an entire row and go OK. So that's how you insert multiple rows. The next demo I'll be showing is about the difference between lists. So often people want to know the difference between 2 lists. So if you want to find out, you want to select, so this is my first list. Because it's an example, I've done it on the same spreadsheet, but if you want to do it on another spreadsheet, you still can. So I want to select this, so I'm going to press Shift and the right arrow, and then Shift Control down, and it selects the whole thing. And now you have to press Control and keep pressing it, and press on here and press on the next list, and you go Shift, next row, and down. There, we've selected. Now that we've selected both the lists, we go to Conditional Formatting up here, and we go to Highlight Cell Rules. And now there are other choices over here, but I'm going to be clicking on Duplicate Values. So here it has duplicate, but you can change it to unique. So I'm going to click on unique and press OK, and that's how you find the difference between the 2 lists. The last thing I'll be showing you is how to move columns. So this is like a trick. So many people, well, actually most people copy and paste data, but there is a simpler way. What you can do is just click on the column that you want and select it, and then go to the corner of it and wait till the cursor appears, and then you click on it and wait till the cursor appears, and you drag it wherever you want. So I'm going to drag it over here, and here we've just copied some data. So that comes to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more content, and hope everyone enjoyed this video.